uNyawonhle uArchbishop Bishop Tutu wazalelwa eKlerksdorp ngomhla wesixhenxe ngo-October ngonyaka ka-1931. Waziwa kakhulu njengomxolelanisi ngexesha lomzabalazo kweli, kwaye kulenyanga izayo uzakufinca amashumi alithoba. Ngelokubhiyozela ubomi bakhe ifoundation yakhe iza kubamba imisitho yokunyusa ingxowali yayo ngelokukhumbula imisebenzi kaTutu.
Because the work of the Arch is so vast and his footprint is so wide, we'd like to commemorate his legacy, but also curate it in a way that his purposeful work in South Africa and globally is that knowledge is available to younger generations. So the idea is to raise funds for our Knowledge Legacy project.
It's
important to me that the work not only brings people joy, but also helps create change for good. A lot of these children, they don't have role models. They don't see that there is potential to make money from creativity.
I-Desmond and neLeah Tutu Foundation.